Hi, I'm Deb Wesselman, and I'm excited to be presenting EMDR in the treatment of complex traumatic stress in children and adolescents at this year's virtual EMDR conference. This population often includes kids who suffered from abuse and neglect, perhaps medical trauma, losses, separations, oftentimes domestic violence, bullying, discrimination, and they present special challenges as their traumatic history manifests oftentimes as reactivity, dissociation, behavioral challenges due to the stored unprocessed memories and the associated feelings of mistrust, alienation, and shame. Complicating matters even further is the fact that their cognitive, emotional, and social development may be thrown completely off course. Finally, their parents are usually overwhelmed. They may be responding to their kids punitively, angrily, because they don't understand what's going on with their children, and because the children's behaviors often trigger stored unprocessed trauma for the parents. This all sounds very overwhelming, but honestly, with the right tools and EMDR interventions, the work with these kids and families can actually be extremely rewarding. I hope to see you at this year's virtual EMDR conference in September.